good morning guys. Today, mao na po ditong lutoon chicken adobo with coconut milk. Okay. So mao ni ang mga ingredients guys, oh. Salt, black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and then coco mama or the coconut milk, and then the how do you call that? Paminta, and then or black pepper, and then the bay leaf, and then the chicken I rub with the black pepper and salt, and then garlic, onions. First, okay, we call it sear, not fry, but sear. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll be right back. But after searing the chicken, we're gonna saute the garlic. Okay. And then the onion. Pepper, guys, the soy sauce, okay, oyster sauce, guys, and then a little brown sugar, just a little pepper. Okay, and then simmer for a few minutes, guys. It's done, and now we're gonna add coconut milk. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm going to let the coconut milk first to be absorbed, okay? And we'll be right back. Look at that one, it's very yummy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna test the sauce. It's yummy. And then I'm using this fork. Taste a little. I'm gonna off the heat because it might be overcooked, but it's very yummy now. It's not overcooked. Ang sarap. Our chicken adobo with coconut milk. It's very yummy, guys. Okay, guys, that's our chicken adobo with coconut milk. It's super yummy. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for